Hello, fellow content creators. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how you can make money blogging with ChatGPT. As you know, ChatGPT is a powerful AI language model that can revolutionize your blogging efforts and help you generate income. So, let's dive right in. The first step in monetizing your blog with ChatGPT is leveraging its incredible writing capabilities. ChatGPT can assist you in generating high-quality, engaging content that captivates your readers and keeps them coming back for more. With ChatGPT, you can save time and effort in the writing process, allowing you to focus on other aspects of growing your blog. One of the most popular ways to monetize a blog is through affiliate marketing. With ChatGPT's assistance, you can create compelling product reviews, comparisons, and recommendations that incorporate your affiliate links. When readers make a purchase through your affiliate links, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. Another lucrative avenue is sponsored content. As your blog gains popularity, companies may approach you to collaborate on sponsored posts or reviews. With ChatGPT's help, you can produce well-crafted sponsored content that aligns with your audience's interests while maintaining authenticity and transparency. Sponsored content provides a great opportunity to earn income while delivering value to your readers. Don't forget about the power of email marketing. By using ChatGPT, you can create compelling newsletters and email campaigns that engage your subscribers and drive them back to your blog. With a strong email list, you can promote your own products or services, offer exclusive content, or even collaborate with other bloggers and businesses for joint ventures, ultimately boosting your blog's revenue potential. Lastly, consider offering premium content or membership options on your blog. With ChatGPT's assistance, you can develop exclusive content such as in-depth guides, ebooks, or online courses that provide immense value to your readers. By charging a premium or offering a membership subscription, you can monetize your expertise and generate recurring revenue. And there you have it. Those are just a few ways to make money blogging with ChatGPT. Remember, the key to success is creating valuable, engaging content that resonates with your audience. With ChatGPT as your trusted writing companion, you can take your blogging efforts to new heights and unlock new income streams. Thank you for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. As always, happy blogging, and may your words and ChatGPT bring you success and prosperity.